Hello, what's up guys? It's me, GameBoy Geek. So, will be ever a 4DS, a successor to the 3DS? Yes, this is a very important question. Will be ever a 4DS? I don't think so. I was just joking. Definitely, yes, there will be a 4DS. Yes, there will be a 4DS. Again, I was just joking. Why I'm telling you? Because there's still a market which cannot be covered by Nintendo Switch. A portable market as a console which you can put in your pocket. A dual screen. Duals are still a lot of people. Miss. The Nintendo. The Nintendo fan base, the Nintendo DS fan base is huge. If there's another Nintendo DS, I'm gonna buy. Are you ready? Like three Nintendo DS. Let me show you. Okay, something just fell down. You see, my three Nintendo DS. You're with me. So I am a huge. Okay, by the way, I'm just wearing a short. Yeah, I am a huge Nintendo DS fanboy. Yes, I'm a huge Nintendo DS fanboy. So I think so definitely yes there will be. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, that was much better. Make sure to subscribe. Subscribe. It was me, Jimmy, a geek. Bye.